Welcome everyone, this is Raymond Koppeler from EcoWise and EcoDenge today to present the BBEST Life Cycle Costing module in the BIM4Ren project. BBEST is a tool for rapid assessment of environmental and economic information associated with building renovations. BBEST has been integrated already in the BIM4Ren platform, and it allows you to compare the investment costs with the energy savings reduction to see if the renovation has a net financial benefit. The intention here is to provide the user inputs and provide a very quick lifecycle costing understanding. The interface allows you to click here Lifecycle Costing module, and you can select then your country. The pilot countries from BIM4Ren are included, including France, Spain and Italy, and the renovation category. Light, medium or deep renovations, and the type of renovations under this, in this example, an energy systems renovations, with a selected lifespan and surface area. The country influences the proposed renovation costs, and also we need to have information on the financing. If it's financed by a bank loan, for example, then we will have to pay an interest rate which is integrated in the assessment. And of course we can change the fees, but the proposed fees for professional fees, material costs, labor costs and other costs to obtain the total investment costs required. Then, in addition to the cost section, we move to the benefit section. We need to provide information on the energy changes. So the energy before the renovation and after the renovation. In this example, 7 megawatt hours per year of investment and heating and hot water before the renovation. And in the example here, we see a reduction from 7 to 3 megawatt hours per year for heating and hot water, for example, for a residential building, maybe with on the energy systems improvement. And we have to have the associated costs in megawatt hours, euro per megawatt hours, to understand the benefits. Also included in BBEST LCC is the building value on the bottom left. So what is the improved value of the building that provides additional value in the cost and benefits, for example, if the building will be sold after the renovation. And then we generate our life cycle costing, which you can see. You get a bar chart which compares the investment in pink with the savings from both the energy savings and the potential building value increases, a total value comparison. And at the top left, the payback time of the renovation based on these value increases is 8 years, and the net present value is 5,500 years. You can save the results in a PDF and also then look at the results. This is a very quick overview. Thank you for your attention, and for any interest in the project and in the BBEST tool specifically, you can